like to think of myself as a down-to-earth person. I am French native. I grew up in Bordeaux in the south of France, but I have been traveling quite a fair bit and I have been exposed to many cultures. And in fact, I had been living in the UK for a number of years. I have two passions in life. One is yoga, the other one is wine. Because I think it's a very complete and very interesting subject. It covers lots of different aspects. First, you have the cultures of the people who produce wines, histories behind it, and of course you've got the end product, the wines in the glass. And that goes with understanding how it has been made, how it translates into a glass, and how it can be paired with food. So for me, it's an ever-evolving subject, which is just amazing, amazing to learn about. Inspired me to get into the world of wine probably the various aspects of the wine world, from learning about the different cultures, how we make wines all over the world, meeting the fantastic growers all over the world, understanding the raw materials, understanding the challenging sometimes condition under which the wines are being produced, and of course the end product, the wines itself, be it from any countries. It's just fantastic to learn how it's been made, and also the fact and how it goes well with food. So it's what inspired me and what keeps inspiring me. But I think also probably the growers, people behind the labels, they are fantastic people. Well done to you. I enjoy wine most when I am in good company, as I'm sure most people. And when I am with winemakers, so that I can ask lots of questions on how actually they have produced the end product. I enjoy wine around the table when there is this beautiful food and wine pairing understanding. I think there is a wine for every occasion, which is a bit cliche to say. So I enjoy wines all the time. That said, I tend to enjoy my wines after having practiced yoga.